We spoke to our colleagues in the Philippines to find out why they work at Uber. What are the people like?
People are smart and also they're very good at what they do.
I think you need to be someone that knows how to work well with a team. This is not a one superwoman job. This is really me working with a bigger team that ensures that we get the work done.
What keeps you at Uber?
What keeps me at Uber are the friends that I've met along the way.
You can be your authentic self.
It's a creative outlet. We're able to pitch so many ideas. So that means that our leaders are very, very supportive. That makes me want to wake up the next day.
What is your career progression like?
It's been a journey of challenges, but each step has made me realize how far I can go and how much more there is to achieve.
I started as an agent in Uber. I did that for a couple of years before I decided to become a learning specialist here at Uber. I went back to my first love, which was teaching.
And really the sky's the limit in terms of greatness and innovation that we can see coming from this office.
What impact does your work at Uber have?
I think the main impact is to ensure that we build that connection, not just from our customer, but also with our driver partners as well. So I think that's the most impact that community operations can do.
That to me is something that is bigger than all of us.
So, why Uber?
Heartwarming, it's impactful, and we're happy to help, always.
A company that is diverse, inclusive, somewhere that you will not feel that you're working, because working here is also having fun. I think Uber is your best bet.
Because we have the best people, we're talented, and this is the best place to work with.